Hello and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlook. As usual, starting with a short coverage of what happened yesterday, starting with the North American markets. The Dow and the Nasdaq went pretty much sideways yesterday, no big movements. The Dixie Index is down to 96.73 from 96.88. Yesterday, Markit Services PMI 1.2 points worse than expected. Markit PMI Composite 1.8 lower than previous. We had Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index 1.4 higher than previous. And also we had the reports for the 3 and 6 month bill auctions. Lower than previous by 0.005% and higher than previous on the 6-month note. 2-year note auction lower than previous by 0.058%. The dollar added to last week's losses on Monday as traders looked ahead to monetary policy meetings in the US and Japan, of course, as well as a preliminary look at first quarter gross domestic product expected tomorrow. For today, we have one Tier 1 event coming from the Bank of Canada. Mr. Polos is going to deliver a speech, hopefully today. We also have Tier 2 events, S&P Case-Shiller home price indexes year on year and the consumer confidence. Moving along to the European markets, the DAX and the CAC went up 160 points for the DAX, 30 for the French index. The euro dollar has its 5th day of gain in favor for the European currency. There is a 40% chance Greece will leave the Eurozone, according to Reuters' poll of money market traders, in which just over half said that the country could stay in the bloc, even if it defaults on its debt payments. But traders were divided over the one key question that could decide the future of Greece Eurozone membership, whether it can miss debt payments and still hold on to the euro. Poor on events from the global economic calendar for the European currency, so we're going to wait and see what exactly is going to happen. Moving on to the UK markets, the FTSE 100 gained 35 points yesterday and closed at 7,038 points. The sterling gained 0.3% against the dollar after an opinion poll showed that the Conservative Party has 6% lead ahead of the Labour. This and also the weak data from the US gave more fuel to the sterling, which does not show signs of being pressured by the upcoming elections. Of course, we have the GDP preliminary reports today. Those would be quarter on quarter and year on year. Moving along to the Asian markets, those are quite quiet today. With no agenda in the global economic calendar till tomorrow, when the industrial production reports are going to show. And also later on, we have the BOJ monetary policy statement along with the interest rate decision. We don't expect any movements there. With regards to the Pacific currencies, we have the trade balance reports, including the imports and exports before the monetary policy statement and interest rate decision for the New Zealand dollar. We are going to be quite cautious on the rate decision, followed also by reports on the building permits. On the commodities trade, we saw practically no movement on the oil prices, the sweet crude oil. However, the yellow metal, the gold, has made almost $30 range as per the negative US dollar trend, as well as a 10 points decline on the commodity traded S&P 500 index. That is all from me from today. Thank you very much for your patience and your interest. I wish you a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye.